here we have it, fam. Growing my small account. I just balanced my account with $10, and I'm growing it from $10 to $1,000 within the shortest possible. So I place an entry short on gold, using a lot size of 0.01. Small traders, small account traders with a balance of less than $1,000. You need to use at least a lot size of 0.01 to 0.1. Do not risk too much lest you lose too much. So with this trade, the divergence, cut a divergence with the RSI indicator, and then went in for a sell position at the 27.41. But I didn't use no stop loss. I didn't use a stop loss. I'm not using a stop loss. Just free trade because it's a small account. Taking the smaller wins to grow the account. Now, price had to go back to retest the previous resistance level. That is the key level. Price had to go back to sweep liquidity before coming down. As you can see, price reacted to that zone, forming a double top, and it didn't break through. Couldn't break through. Price had to go back. As you can see, I just put another buy there. That was an impulse move, as new beginner traders would do. An impulse move, an impulse entry, an impulse trade, or whatever you call it. So I just placed a buy because I was scared it's gonna break through and go to the long side. So I put a buy entry. Hopefully it goes beyond the buy, and then I close the trade for a profit. But I'm pretty much certain it's gonna come back down due to analysis and then the strategy I'm using. Feel that gold is overbought. We're in -$2 already. Patience is very important when you're trading, guys. Patience is very important. You feel that it's going against you. That is why the risk management you use is the stop loss and take profit. It's very important as a new trader to use your stop loss so that you don't blow multiple accounts. Now we're in -2. Price just broke through the buy limit, and we're in profit already. 0.25 profit and going. Like I said, your take profit should always be in a 1:2 ratio or 1:3. So waited for price to break to a little bit. I was hoping for price to go a little bit further before coming down, so I stayed in the trade, the buy. And as expected, price went past $1, went past a few pips, swept liquidity, and I just closed the trade with a profit of $1. I sense price coming down real fast, very fast right there. With those using the retest strategy, all those other blocks in the area of confluence. With a double top, price went up to sweep liquidity. Then, as you can see, we're in an uptrend. Our price showing double top pattern. It shows that the trend is about to reverse. It's going to be a trend reversal. That is why I entered for a sell position, as the RSI was showing an overbought in gold, but we're still going up. This is a strong downtrend. This is the 1 minute time frame. The 30-minute time frame or the 4-hour time frame was showing a strong downtrend. The 1 minute time frame was showing an uptrend, signifying that price had to retest just a little bit before going down. Price eventually comes down after being overbought. $4. Still waiting for price to break below the first sell limit and hopefully the second sell entry. There you have it. The price was dropping real fast. Price was dropping real fast. It was ready to break through. Price was dropping real fast. Price is about to break through, just broke through the first sell limit. It's going down very fast, guys. That is a strong bearish candle. It's a strong move right there, signifying that there's a strong bearish candle, signifying that there's a lot of sellers entering the market at that point. A lot of sellers in the market, pushing the market all the way down. Let's close the trade with a profit. This is a small trading account, so I have to take a small profit, small wins to grow it. Then when it gets bigger, like $100, I can then take bigger risks for bigger profits. And you should do the same. It's very necessary. Your lot size is very important. Make sure to use 0.01 as your lot size when you're trading a small account, from $1 to $100, say. Now we are in $2 profit. Hopefully it's going to go all the way down, break all the way down, break through the second short entry, so we can get some profit and see how it goes. So there you have it. That's the 30-minute time frame. Shows we're coming down. Now in profit. We're still in profit, coming down. So that's it. Now we are in $12. Just made $2. Like and subscribe for more. Like and subscribe for more. This is a gold is highly volatile. It's highly volatile. Just showing a divergence right here of sell, and as you can see, it's going down. It's going to try to retest where it goes down. It's in a strong downtrend. It's trying to go against me, but I believe it's still going down. As you can see, I've made previous trades. Find a strategy, learn it, be good at that strategy. You're going to make profit. I promise you that. So we have $12.25 in profit. $12.25 in profit. Woo! We are in profit. Still going down. Subscribe and follow for more videos like this. Leave a comment below.